All right, so I had a light problem in the stovetop um, exhaust fan assembly. The little tiny LED light uh, went, it basically died. It's like one little spot that was lit up on it. So I decided I'd take it all apart and mount a bigger light so we had more light there over the stove. And uh, so went ahead, pulled it apart, took it down and mounted a light, drilled holes, mounted another light in there. And I was a little bit concerned. Okay, it's plastic covered light, but the vent is half plastic anyway. I guess it doesn't matter if there's a light that's plastic up inside of it. So anyway, I did that. So I took it out and I got ready to put it back in. And I was looking at the outlet going to the outside, and I'm feeling around in there, and it's blocked right off almost completely. It's not a tight seal, but it's blocked. So I go outside and I look at the vent, and and it's got a door, and it's got release latches on it to open it up. And I'd felt, I'd turned the vent on before, the exhaust fan on before, and air would come out. And I thought, well, it's a 12-volt system and it's cheap, and it's just not a lot of airflow. So I didn't even think too much about it. It just doesn't flow a lot of air. And so, you open that thing up and try it with the door open, and, like a ton more air comes out. So, I was thinking, a little sticker maybe that says, make sure you open the vent outside. Because, I didn't read the stovetop exhaust fan instructions, if there is even if there is any in what they gave me when I bought the RV. I didn't read it because it's just a exhaust fan for the stove. I mean, it'd be pretty straightforward. Uh, so maybe this will help somebody else, because I didn't realize it. So I'm getting like this tiny amount of air coming out instead of a lot of air out of my stovetop vent. Uh, and maybe there's somebody else out there that hasn't taken a look at that and to see if they're having the same issue. So anyway, I hope this helps somebody. I feel kind of stupid, but then again, I guess you can't read every piece of literature that comes with who reads their whole owner's manual in their vehicle, right? Front to back. Not too many people. So hope this helps somebody. Maybe somebody can get a little more air coming out of their kitchen when it's cooking something that's hot. All right. Have a good day.